Yo, what's up? We're at the airport right now. It's actually a pretty important flight. It's our first flight ever together, alone, no family, no nothing. So it's also my first time. We're going to Vegas. So this is a pretty big deal. Okay, well that was easy, yo. No problems with the flight. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be cold or not, so I just don't know what it's gonna feel like. It's cold. Yo, what's up? Made it to the whole hotel. So we up in the hotel room now. They bumping. They upgraded us. I don't know if it's much of an upgrade. We got 2 beds now, same room. But the whole reason for the upgrade was just like everything's newer, I guess, in a sense. So we got a brand new room. So I don't mind. I'm actually stoked. We're gonna go eat dinner now at Gordon Ramsay's Hell Kitchen. We used to watch the show all the time, so it's pretty cool that I'm actually gonna go see it. Booze is still changing. Nice and early as always. So thankfully, our anniversary was close enough to when we came here, so okay. You know how it is. Free dessert. We're in Caesar's Palace right now, and like it's actually gorgeous here. Or is that just you? No? Good luck, bye-bye. Okay, so what I didn't tell ya, we're getting married. I didn't want to tell my parents or invite anyone, so we're gonna go check out the potential wedding. Damn! 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 So where are we getting married?
Right here.
Okay.
No, there.
Clásico Capata. Okay. Clásico Capata. What's up? Huh?
My crib.
Good fast.
Yeah, we're zooming. We zooming on you. God damn. He's a window. Except this is just facing the wall, isn't it? Holy fuck. We're like super high up right now. There's your Paris Tower that you want to go see. Yeah, I think we were in Paris. But it's pretty sick in here. Okay, hold up. The whole reason we actually went to Vegas was to surprise this person.